Space has always captivated us. It represents the ultimate frontier, a realm of endless possibilities. For centuries we gazed at the stars, dreaming of the day we might reach out and touch them. Now we stand on the verge of a new era, one where space is no longer the exclusive domain of governments and research institutions. We are entering the age of commercial space ventures, and leading the charge is a revolutionary concept: Orbital Reef, the world's first true business park in space. Imagine a bustling hub of activity orbiting our planet. This is the vision of Orbital Reef, a place where businesses, researchers, and tourists alike can experience the wonders of space firsthand. It's a place where cutting-edge research meets entrepreneurial spirit, where the boundaries of science and imagination are pushed to their limits. For decades, the International Space Station (ISS) has served as our outpost in space, a testament to international collaboration and scientific endeavor. But the ISS is nearing the end of its operational life, paving the way for a new generation of space stations. Orbital Reef represents a paradigm shift, moving away from a purely governmental model to one where private industry takes center stage. Orbital Reef will be a commercially owned and operated space station, designed to be accessible and affordable for a wide range of users. Its modular design allows for customization and expansion, accommodating everything from scientific laboratories to manufacturing facilities, to even, perhaps one day, movie studios. One of the most remarkable features of Orbital Reef is its modular design. The station will be assembled in space using a combination of prefabricated modules and advanced robotics. This approach allows for flexibility and scalability, enabling Orbital Reef to grow and evolve over time to meet the needs of its users. This modularity extends to the station's interior as well. Orbital Reef's modules can be configured to support a wide range of activities, from microgravity research and pharmaceutical development to Earth observation and space tourism. Imagine conducting experiments in a state of weightlessness, growing crystals, or developing new drugs that could revolutionize medicine. Orbital Reef holds immense promise for the future of space exploration and commerce. Its potential applications are as vast as space itself. Imagine shooting a film in the unique environment of microgravity, or manufacturing specialized products that benefit from the conditions only found in orbit. The possibilities are truly limitless, but perhaps the most exciting aspect of Orbital Reef is its potential to open up space travel to the public. With the rise of commercial spacecraft, space tourism is no longer a distant dream, but a rapidly approaching reality. Orbital Reef could become a destination in its own right, offering breathtaking views of Earth and the cosmos, and providing a once-in-a-lifetime experience for those fortunate enough to visit. Orbital Reef represents a bold step into the future, a future where humanity's presence in space is no longer limited to a select few, but is open to all who dare to dream.